Hi, I'm Zach. I want to introduce you to RansomStop. RansomStop is a platform to detect and prevent ransomware attacks. Typically, how organizations deal with ransomware today is either with AV or endpoint detect and response agents on their laptops and servers, and if that doesn't work, then backups. While we aren't saying any of those things should go away, they haven't really delivered on their promises to keep you safe from ransomware. We thought a new paradigm is needed. So that's where RansomStop comes in. RansomStop is an agentless solution that you deploy centrally, and it monitors your storage. RansomStop doesn't look for processes and try to determine if the process is malicious or safe. That's a cat and mouse game that the attackers are always going to win in the end. So RansomStop actually monitors your files at rest and detects whether they're being encrypted or not. If an attack is detected, RansomStop will automatically stop it by disabling the credentials that are being used by the ransomware and restoring the files to a known good version immediately. So let me show you this in action. We'll be monitoring an S3 bucket right here, and I have a number of image files in here, so I'm just going to open up a couple of these, and you can see we can just view the files right here in the browser, and we'll open up another one, and I'll try this one. And so, okay, so we have a number of image files. Now let us look at a ransomware simulation tool that we have. And what this does is it just goes into the bucket and lists all the files in it and reads them, encrypts them, and then overwrites the files with an encrypted version. So we're basically just simulating ransomware. So I'm going to go ahead and run that, and it's going to do its thing, and we'll see that it's already encrypting some files there. So we have Octopus, and let's go check that out. So this one should already be done. And if I open it now, it's not visible. And in fact, it downloads the file instead of viewing it. And if I look at the downloaded file, preview doesn't understand the format, right? So this file has been encrypted. We can check out a couple other ones too. This one's probably done as well. And again, that file has been encrypted and we can no longer see it. So right now, RansomStop is stopped. So let me go ahead and start that. And all I'm doing is going to set the tasks from 0 to 1 and hit update. So RansomStop runs in a container in your environment. Could be the cloud, could be your data center, and none of your data ever leaves your network. So by running in a container, it makes it really easy for us to scale up and scale down automatically and keep your operating expenses very low. This is running on AWS Fargate, and the infrastructure costs can be as low as a few dollars a month to monitor a single S3 bucket, not including the RansomStop license itself. The smallest Fargate container can handle a couple hundred file writes a minute, and it uses queuing, so the peak can actually be much higher than that without missing a file. And again, this can automatically spin up, spin down containers dynamically just based on your load. It can also run in Docker for on-prem deployments, and we will soon be supporting Kubernetes as well. So hopefully this process has spun up and we'll be seeing alerts pretty soon. Yeah, there we go. So we have our alerts here, and I'm just going to open one of these. We'll check it out. And we can see the file, where it came from. We can see the credentials that were used, as well as the source IP the command came from, and a little bit more detail about it. There's a little bit of workflow here. You can acknowledge it and add notes from any investigation that you do. But the other thing you can see is which actions are taken. And so in this case, you can see that file is restored. We can also suspend user. We can also suspend the keys in use, or whatever. So let's go see what that file looks like now. This is the Pygmy Seahorse. So we're going to go back here and where is Pygmy Seahorse? We open it, that file's been restored. So at this point in the attack, whatever credentials that the attacker used have been suspended. The files that were encrypted have been rolled back using S3 versioning. And an alert has been sent to your SOC, so you don't have to, come to your RansomStop dashboard to find out that something happened. These can all be forwarded to whatever SIM or monitoring tools you use, so you don't even have to come back here. But at the essence, this is the core functionality of RansomStop, and I hope you enjoyed this. So thanks for your time. Thanks for joining.